All right, so today we're here in Woolwich and we're going to show you this new construction property on over 2 acres. The seller's asking $899,000. Let's go in and take a look. All right, so we're here on the first floor. We're going to show you the dining room, the office, the family room with the gas fireplace, and then the wide open kitchen. Let's check it out. All right, now we're going to take you downstairs and show you the fully finished basement that walks out to the large backyard. All right, so we're upstairs. First, we're going to show you the primary bed and bath. Then we're going to show you the hall bath and the other 3 bedrooms. All right, so we're outside. As you can see, big, beautiful patio for entertaining and the walkout basement.